Okay, so this video will be about the pillars page on the website. So just looking at the drop-down menu, you can see that there are three sections: the professional, service, and brotherhood pillars of the fraternity. So the first one is professional. All you have to do is, I think these are all like annual long positions. So all you have to do is change it at the end of the summer or at the end of the spring semester, like after we do elections, to update it to the new VPs of each respective pillar. So all you really have to do is just update VP professional activities, the name, just change their name and the email address. So I'm looking at the email address, like you have to change what actually appears, like what the link is, which is their email address, but you also have to make sure that you update the actual link itself, which if you look down in the corner right here, which disappears when I take my mouse off of it, shows their email and it's like mailed to. So if you press it, it'll like pop up your whatever mail application on your computer, and then it'll open like a composing email to that specific email address. So that's the same for all of the pillars. So if you look at service, like you just have to update to whatever VP is community service for that year. In this case, Robert Lee, and then it says his email here, but it also says it in the corner. And finally, what's the other one? Brotherhood, which is VP social. Um, and that's the same thing. So, I mean, really, that's all you have to update for these. I'll just quickly show you the code for that. So if we go into the pillars folder right here, and let's just open up the professional one, for example, going down to the inner content div, which is right here. So blah 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 blah. You just look for the ahref, which is always which means a link. So all you have to do is change the name to whoever is the VP Professional Activities for next semester. I think it's Jackson, and then like change. You have to change this, which is the link. So let's say his email is jackson.shang. You just write that. Keep that all the same, but you also have to make sure that you update this. So that's the only thing to make sure you do for these pages. You just have to update the email, so that's pretty straightforward. Um, and so I guess that's that for the pillar section.